Chief Superintendent of Prison Mary Asante-Sarfo ono ena waye na dwuma wie se officer in charge Sunyani female prison washom 40 years ni ode ne som na ba wie ye yaye nkwa gya som e de amana kase no ekoho dwumadie yi ekoso e wo Sunyani Central Prison ya regional commander no officer in charge wo Sunyani Central Prison DDP Williams Kula ebo CSP Sarfo abaso e wo adwumaso a oye wo ne duafie adwumayekuo no emu.
A big farewell to a truly remarkable colleagues and an officer in charge of the female prison, CSP Mary Asante-Sarfo, Mrs., who has diligently served the Ghana Prison Service for 40 years and 1 day. Your dedication to duty, innovative ideas, and unwavering commitment to development has brought significant successes to the entire regional command. Your presence will surely be missed, but your legacy will forever live on in the work we continue to do.
Nanu si yepe and officer in charge another Sunyani female prisons ano CSP Mary Asante-Sarfo ene wode na dwuma ba wieye eda na dwuma yefo ne ka bi wonfo ase se ebra wode se di bre no ma no bibia so no asene.
I want to express my appreciation to the bishop. In fact, when I took over, he and the diocese visited me and supported with cash, and we used that cash to buy tanks for the senior officers washroom that I established at the field.